We're at 8007 West Farmhill. Here to do repairability tests on the slopes that got only the vents paid for, to see how the shingles are going to react to repairability tests. Hold this. Record everything I do. It's recording, right? Mm-hmm. So you don't have to hold it like that, right? It's on your... Just videotape me. There you go.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
There we go. You're getting in there, getting the angles right. You're seeing you're in there.
Everything that you're doing is being recorded.
Go. You get a little closer, bro. Physically close. There you go. Right here. You getting up in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just gonna say, based on the attempt to repair this, shingle is broken here, shingle is broken here, shingle is here. I haven't done anything crazy to manipulate these shingles, but the glue is stuck to there, so it's ripped off. The seals are broken. It's ripped through the matting there. So that's the front slope here on Farmhill Road in Palos.